What if your body isn't actually weak, but simply disconnected? What if the real reason many adults over 50 lose strength has less to do with aging, and more to do with muscles that have stopped communicating properly with the brain? Because here's what most people never hear. Many adults over 50 are not truly weak. Their muscles have simply stopped activating correctly after years of stress, sitting, stiffness, injuries, and inactivity. And you may have noticed the signs already. Getting up from the couch feels harder. Climbing stairs feels slower. Your knees feel stiff after sitting too long. Your balance feels less reliable than it used to. Simple movements suddenly require more effort. But here's the strange part. Your body may actually be far more capable than you think. The problem is that modern workouts often train aging bodies the wrong way. Heavy weights, fast repetitions, high-impact exercises, joint pressure, back strain, knee irritation, and many adults stop exercising completely because it no longer feels safe. But centuries ago, Shaolin practitioners trained differently, not with punishment, not with reckless intensity, but with control, stillness, breathing, tension, precision. And today, I'm going to show you 5 Shaolin-inspired isometric holds that can help rebuild strength after 50 without weights, without jumping, and without harsh impact on your joints. These movements can help improve balance, posture, coordination, stability, and movement confidence using only your body weight. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final 5-minute routine combines all 5 exercises together into one simple daily system many adults can realistically stick with. And consistency is what truly changes the body after 50. This channel is dedicated to helping adults over 50 and 60 stay strong, mobile, independent, and healthy naturally. If your goal is to keep enjoying life with energy, confidence, and freedom of movement, subscribe now and join the VitaSignal 60 community. Now let's begin. Number 1. Hollow Body Hold. Most people think the core is about visible abs. But after 50, your core's real job is protection. Your core protects your spine every time you stand up, bend over, carry groceries, or get out of bed. And when those deep stabilizing muscles weaken, the body begins compensating in unhealthy ways. That's when many adults begin experiencing lower back stiffness, poor posture, instability, and discomfort during simple daily tasks. But here's something important most people never realize. Your spine does not only need movement, it needs stability. The hollow body hold helps rebuild that stability safely. Instead of aggressive crunches or sit-ups that may irritate the neck and lower back, this exercise teaches the ribs, pelvis, and spine to work together again. Almost like reconnecting a weak electrical signal inside the body. To do it, lie flat on your back. Press your lower back gently into the floor. There should be little or no gap underneath your spine. Now slowly lift your shoulders slightly off the ground. Then raise your legs a few inches upward. If that feels difficult, bend your knees slightly. Remember, this is not about perfection. It's about control. And if your body starts shaking, don't panic. That shaking often means deep muscles are finally waking up again. Breathe slowly and hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds. And imagine how different daily life feels when your body starts supporting your spine properly again. Standing feels easier. Walking feels smoother. Even posture begins improving naturally. Number 2. Bear Crawl Hold. Have you ever felt unstable carrying groceries? Or noticed getting off the floor feels awkward now? That happens because the body slowly stops functioning as one connected system. The shoulders stop coordinating with the hips. The core stops stabilizing movement efficiently. And balance begins declining little by little. But the bear crawl hold rebuilds connection throughout the body. This exercise teaches your arms, shoulders, core, hips, and legs to stabilize together at the same time. And after 50, coordination is just as important as strength. Because strength without stability often leads to injury. Start on all fours. Place your hands directly under your shoulders. Place your knees directly under your hips. Now tuck your toes into the floor. Slowly raise your knees 1 inch off the ground. That's it. Keep your back flat. Keep your core tight. Keep breathing slowly. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. And here's the powerful part. This exercise teaches your nervous system that your body still needs coordination, stability, and responsiveness, even as you age. Number 3, horse stance. This is one of the oldest exercises in Shaolin training, and there's a reason it survived for centuries. Strong legs are deeply connected to independence. Think about it. Strong legs help you walk confidently, climb stairs safely, travel comfortably, stand longer without fatigue, and continue enjoying daily life without fear. But many adults don't lose strength only because of aging. They lose it because they stop using their hips properly. And once the hips weaken, the knees and lower back absorb extra stress. That's often where chronic discomfort begins. The horse stance strengthens the thighs, hips, glutes, and stabilizing muscles together, while also improving mobility. Stand with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Point your toes slightly outward. Now slowly lower your hips like sitting into an invisible chair. Keep your chest lifted. Keep your spine tall. Keep your knees aligned over your feet. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Your legs will begin burning. That's normal. That burning sensation is endurance developing. It's your foundation becoming stronger again. And imagine how different life feels when your legs begin supporting you with confidence again instead of hesitation. Number 4, Shaolin wall push. This exercise surprises many people because nothing moves, but your muscles work incredibly hard. Muscles do not always need movement to become stronger. Sometimes they simply need tension. That's the hidden power of isometric training. Stand facing a sturdy wall. Place your hands against it at chest height. Now step your feet slightly backward. Brace your core. And push into the wall as hard as possible as if trying to move it. Nothing should actually move, but your chest, shoulders, arms, and core instantly activate. Hold maximum effort for 10 seconds. Then relax. Repeat this 6 times. This reminds your brain that your muscles still matter. Strength still matters. Responsiveness still matters. Your body still matters. Number 5, wall sit. If there's one exercise many adults over 50 should master, it's this one. Because healthy knees create freedom, and freedom means independence. Strong knees help you walk confidently, travel comfortably, climb stairs safely, and enjoy everyday life without fear. Stand with your back against a wall. Slowly slide downward. Lower yourself until your knees are in a comfortable, strong position. Press your back gently into the wall. Keep your weight in your heels. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds. Your thighs will begin burning. That's not failure. That's endurance building. That's stability returning to the body. And over time, movements that once felt difficult can begin feeling easier again. Now everything comes together. Hollow body hold 1 minute. Bear crawl hold 1 minute. Horse stance 1 minute. Wall push 6 rounds of 10 seconds. Wall sit 1 minute. That's it. No machines. No weights. No impact. Just intelligent strength training designed for real life after 50. The goal is not becoming 20 years old again. The goal is staying capable, staying mobile, staying independent. Because your body is not broken. It simply needs reactivation. One hold at a time. One breath at a time. One day at a time.